Frequently asked questions from Searchbug community. Account types edition. What account type would you recommend? All Searchbug accounts start off as standard. We also offer 2 different account add-ons, should you require access to additional data. After your standard account is activated, you then have the option to apply for the SSN verification or restricted access add-ons to access federally regulated data. Here's an overview of what access the add-ons provide. Can I verify SSN information with a standard account? This feature is not available to standard accounts. Only accounts with the SSN verification add-on or restricted access add-on have access to these types of features. However, standard accounts can utilize our investigator-assisted orders in order to gain access to federally regulated information, provided you have a legally permissible reason and supporting documentation. What information is required for the SSN verification add-on? The process of applying for the SSN verifications typically takes 1 to 2 business days. The following supporting documentation is required. Option 1, business license and one of the following items. Or, Option 2, if no business license, 2 of the following items. Articles of incorporation or similar. IRS SS4 form showing your tax ID. Proof of 501c3 status whether nonprofit, charity, religious or educational. Corporation verification with state or federal government. Current business phone bill, address must match public listings. Current business bank statement, address must match public listings. Business bank check, voided. The following may also be required for further verification. A picture of yourself holding up your photo ID. How do I apply for the SSN verification add-on? Log into your account, click your username in the upper right and select your account from the drop-down menu. Under the Business Details section, click the Request Now. How do I apply for the Restricted Access add-on? The process of applying for restricted access typically takes 7 to 10 business days. Here are the steps needed to apply. Apply for restricted access on your account page. Pay the $147 business verification fee. Provide supporting documentation, specifics are provided on the application. Searchbug will submit the inspection request to a third-party inspector. The third-party inspector will contact you to schedule the virtual business verification meeting, typically conducted over Zoom. Searchbug receives the business verification report. Searchbug approves restricted access on your account and you will then have access to additional online searches and data. Important reminder. At Searchbug, we take data privacy and compliance seriously, and we have implemented rigorous verification processes to ensure that data is used only for legitimate purposes. One way we achieve this is by screening applications to verify the legitimacy of businesses before granting them access to our services. This approach helps us maintain the highest standards of data protection and build trust with our clients. Have more questions? Visit our FAQ section or contact a representative via live chat.